going to be cooking.
Hey, welcome back to her channel, Miss Geminii Talks. She's going to be cooking today.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Miss Geminii Talks. Alright guys, so I'm doing like another vlog, but this is going to be like a real simple vlog. We're going to be cooking.
Hey, welcome back to her channel, Miss Geminii Talks. She's going to be cooking today. I'm sorry,
He's
you
so
get that too.
aggy.
My bad.
He's so
I heard
aggy.
you.
But like I was saying, you guys are going to be cooking with me. I am so excited. This is my first cooking video. Now, first off, I am not a chef, so just don't get it confused. Today's video is for the people that don't really know how to cook but want to start off with easy meals. This video can be for you, okay? Because I like to cook easy, simple meals. I'm getting better as I go. But yeah, you know, this is something that you can start off with slowly and get more better. This video is for you guys. So I'm making me a shrimp sausage pasta, okay, guys? And I'm going to let you guys see what I'm using. So today I'm going to be using the Beyond sausage, okay? It's so freaking good. It's similar to the regular Italian sausage. I love it, okay? I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm trying to go healthier, so I'm trying to, you know, stay away from certain meats, like pork and, you know, beef, you know. I eat it sometimes, the beef, but I'm trying to stay away from it. I've been doing really good lately with that. I'm just sticking to chicken mainly and shrimp and seafood and stuff. Here's the shrimp right here, you know. I love this shrimp. I love big shrimp. Okay, so freaking good. I'm also going to be using the classic vodka sauce. I love vodka sauce. So freaking good. And I love elbow noodles. Now, I usually like to get the whole grain noodles, but we didn't go to the store yet, so this is all I had. So I'm using that for today. But yeah, guys, only 4 ingredients mainly. I like to put a little seasoning and stuff too, so you'll see as I go. But for the main parts, it's so freaking simple, guys. So stay tuned. I'll be back with more. Hey guys, so I'm back. I am so tall and my angle is the worst. So I'm going to have the camera where you can see the food and, you know, not my face. All right, guys, let me get this together and I'll be back. Hey guys, so I'm back. Here's my shrimp over here and my sausages over here. Okay, guys? What you do is you cut up the sausages. And with the Beyond Meat, you're supposed to unthaw it first. You know, that's what they say. It's a little messy, but when it's cooking, it comes out good. If you guys haven't tried it yet, you have to try it. It's really good. Like, me and my boyfriend got addicted after trying it. OMG, it was so good. Okay, so I cut my sausages up over here. I don't usually put seasoning on these at all. I have to bend all the way down, guys. But I don't usually put seasoning on these at all. I leave them the way they are. But I always season my shrimp. Okay, guys? So I'm about to season my shrimp right now. Okay. So I use onion powder. Some onion powder on there. My favorite, Obey. My favorite. I love me some Obey seasoning. It's so good. Gives you that nice flavor. Little bit of spice, but not really a lot. It's really good. So, with that, I like to usually, you know, mix it together. I use my hands, but I always wash my hands, so. Oh, I love the way shrimp looks. I'm like a big fan of shrimp. Seafood is my favorite. I love seafood. And guys, it's really simple. You know, it's not nothing hard at all. Really, really simple. Okay, so once you mix that together, you put it in the pan. So I'll be back, guys. I'm going to put my noodles in the pan, too. I got my water boiling, so I'll be back. Okay, guys. Now I'm back. I'm about to put my noodles inside the pan. You got to wait till it boils first. Okay. And when you put the noodles in, it's good to usually mix it so it won't stick to the bottom of the pan. So I like to mix my noodles in. I'm sure you guys already know that. But, you know, for the people that don't, you know, that's what you're usually supposed to do. Yeah. So now that we got our noodles on, we about to get ready to put the shrimp and sausages on. Okay? All right. Now, I like to make my own little concoction of a little baby sauce for my shrimp. And I usually make the shrimp and noodles, the shrimp and sausages together. But I usually cook the shrimp first and I add on the sausages. I use extra virgin olive oil. Okay? A little bit of this to put inside. Okay, guys. So I use a little bit of margarine. Let me rinse off my knife. Guys, I'm telling y'all, it's so hard to record and cook. But guys, you know, I'm going to get the hang of it. Don't worry. Be a little patient with me. I get the hang of it. Alright, so let me turn on the owl right here. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now, we're going to get this in. Let me get the camera right for here. There we go. Alright, so now we're about to start with my shrimp. What I do, I put a little bit of margarine in there. And then I use the sliced garlic. Alright, guys. Just so you know, I use the sliced garlic. I'm looking over here too, guys, because I'm recording over here and over here. So don't mind me. But yeah, I like to use the sliced garlic as well. I don't never measure it. I just go for what I feel. I pour it in. Yeah, I like to use enough. And I love the juice. Oh my God, you can't go wrong with garlic, guys. I'm telling you, especially garlic and shrimp. So good. All right. Okay. And now I'm going to put some of the olive oil inside of the pan. Over here. Okay. And then we're just going to let it simmer a little bit. And then mix it all together. Okay, guys? So, what I like to do. It just gives you that extra flavor. Ain't nothing wrong with flavor, guys, okay? I love me some flavor to my food. I can't do bland food. And even with eating healthier, guys, you can still give your food a little bit of flavor. You know, you ain't got to be all extra bland just because you're eating healthier, you know? So, okay, guys, so after I do this, I mix it in together. I put a little bit of garlic powder in here. Okay. There you go. Mixing it in. All right, and now I'm going to add my shrimp. Okay, guys. How many shrimp? Oh, my shrimp. Guys, you know I'm always singing and dancing. Add the shrimp to it. Right here. I have it. Okay. Gonna let that saute a little bit. Okay. And then we're gonna stir the noodles again. Here. So that's my shrimp on right now. Let that cook for a little bit. And then you mix your noodles. Okay. Just so it won't get stuck, guys. I hate when my noodles get stuck. I'm going to add a little bit more water. Okay. Alright, guys, I'm back. So the noodles is like almost done. So I'm about to get ready and drain them right now. Oh, is that the front one? Yeah, that's the front one. Okay, I'll drain these noodles. So the noodles is drained. Okay. Nice and hot. Alright, guys. Alright. So now we're about to get ready and put the vodka sauce on my shrimp and sausages. I like to shake it. So simple, guys. So simple. Okay. All right. All right. Woo, guys. It is hot. I'm like literally melting in this kitchen. I don't know how the hell. Guys, it is too hot. OMG. All right. So, we're mixing this in right now. I already put the garlic and everything in there. So there you have it. Your little sauce. Pink sauce on top of the shrimp and sausages. Really, really simple meal, guys. And it takes like 10 minutes to make. It's really easy, guys. So I'm about to make the plates and I'll be back with the finished project. Hey guys, I'm back. So this is the end of my video. I'm gonna show you guys the finished project. So what you do is I usually put the noodles inside the plate. Okay, this is for my niece. She don't eat a lot. I eat a lot. Sorry, I'm making a mess. But yeah, she don't eat a lot, so I don't give her too much noodles, so she won't be wasting food. And I'm gonna give her the shrimp. This is what you do. You put it on top. Okay. So this is how you make it easy and simple shrimp and sausage pasta. Okay. And I recommend using the Beyond sausages because I don't eat beef and pork, so I'm trying to get more healthier with the vegan thing. I don't know how healthy it is, but they say it's supposed to be more healthier than the beef and pork, so that's why I use the vegan. But yeah, so the ending results, here you go. This is a thumbnail too, guys. But yeah, see, a nice simple dish. When you get your fork and everything, you just mix it all in together. But I usually like to put everything on top of, guys. But it's so nice. It smells so freaking good. Guys, it's so hot too. But anyway, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my first cooking with me, and I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging out with me. I appreciate you guys staying to the end. And if you stayed to the end, just leave me any type of food emoji, okay? I know if you're real if you watch to the end, guys. Let me know. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you comment down below if you like the video, if you want to see me cook anything else, any suggestions, any story times, anything you want me to do. Leave it down in the comment section below. Make sure you ring that bell, guys. Ring that bell so that you won't miss any new uploads. And follow me on Instagram, Ms_Geminii with 2 eyes talks at the end. All right, guys? Stay tuned for another video.